Azerbaijan is better known for its offshore oil than for its high-tech achievements. The country's desire to change all that, though, was highlighted this week at the Caucasus' largest high-tech exhibition in Baku. Azerbaijan remains a state with a predominantly oil and gas economy, but in recent years it's been actively investing in information and communication technology. Government estimates say in the future profits from the industry will grow and become comparable with those from oil production. A variety of innovative products and services are on display at the Bakutel, mostly communication, security or business solutions. But cultural and education technology is also presented here by both foreign and local developers.
These devices are the newest detectors of drugs and explosives. And this is a wonderful tool that detects harmful chemical substances.
This is a 3D laser scanner. It works like a sonar, but it's a bit more complex. It sends a laser signal and measures the distance between each point to build a 3D image. We're currently using it to create a 3D model of the entire city of Baku.
A realistic model of the Azeri capital could become a useful tool for business and urban developers. But there's also more educational technology on display too.
This is an interactive playing table for children that encourages thinking, memory and drawing skills with more than 530 games. We created it ourselves and the state has ordered 200 copies for kindergartens in Azerbaijan.
A recent boom in oil and gas exports has allowed the country to make surprising developments in its telecom sector. Until now, Azerbaijan has had to largely rely on Soviet-era phone lines that fail to reach hundreds of mountainous villages. Developing wireless and satellite communications is now a national priority. Another challenge facing the country is the contamination of its soil, air and water with toxic pollutants after decades of oil and gas exploration. Azerbaijan now hopes a shift towards a cleaner IT-based economy may alleviate some of these issues.
During the Soviet period, Azerbaijan was one of the centers of the chemical industry. And we all know what that meant for its ecology. So resolving our region's environmental issues is one of our main political goals, and information technology will play a massive role.
One major national IT project is building an e-government infrastructure using the experience and cooperation of Estonia.
It's also about democracy. I must say that, for example, in Estonia we have already practiced several times the e-voting in the elections, and all the benefits of introducing the e-government the system for the whole country makes simply the life easier to everybody who are participating in the society.
Another large-scale project backed by the president himself is a broadband network linking the region to Europe and East Asia by a fiber-optic information superhighway.
Oil and gas will one day be depleted, but technology, innovative industries and investment in science will always be in demand. We see our country in the future as one of the world's leading developed countries. Without a strong IT sector, it will be impossible to achieve.
Current estimates predict that Azerbaijan's oil reserves will probably run out in 30 years, so it's now a race against time to build a sustainable alternative economy for this country at the crossroads of Europe and Asia.